In this video, I will show you how to subscribe to a plan on Shopify. Now, this is actually very easy and done within a few minutes. So first you need to select a plan. You can choose between the basic, the Shopify, or the advanced plan. So yeah, you can just choose between one of them. Let's, for example, choose advanced. So let's tap on advanced right there. And now you need to fill in your data. So you can either pay with card or, choose whatever you would like to pay with. You can also choose PayPal, and you can also save with billing, with yearly billing. So you might want to pay yearly. So now you just fill in your credit card information. So fill it in right there, and once it's filled in, you just tap on subscribe. So yeah, read this information carefully, and then tap on subscribe. And as you see, you've successfully subscribed. Blah blah blah. Now you can fill in your business address, etc., etc. So that is it. It's very easy, fast, and simple. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.